Another turnover, back-to-back turnovers here by the T-Wolves.
They've got 3. Hold on here. It's Brown with the athletic catch and back out to Irving. Quickly in, and a nice throw up is put in by Al Horford. And since January 1st have gone 15-10. And outside, a long shot is
good.
down for Kyrie Irving.
On Karl Anthony Towns and Andrew Wiggins, and we asked Coach Thibodeau today, what do you need to see from Karl Anthony Towns? And he said, oh, you know, just scoring.
He changes. He signed Derrick Rose today. He's suited but may not play. A 3 good put in by Kyrie Irving for Minnesota. Towns picked up his first foul. Doubled inside, Horford outside Irving. He knocks it in. Another 3 for Kyrie. Tapped by Bjelica, but right back to Morris, and a new shot clock with which to work for Boston. 3, Kyrie, book it.
The guy that hit the big shot last night. So playing the younger guys, Pascal Siakam and Serge Ibaka.
Rebound by Horford. Boston scoreless from the field in the last 3:25, now 3:50, and Kyrie will hit the mid-range shot. He was ejected in the game with a bump on Ricky Rubio on a drive up the sideline.
And that was warranted.
Irving. Kyrie puts it in.
Anthony Towns leads the NBA.
It's Kyrie Irving. Wow.
Left hand.
Now Crawford on the bench has got 11. 6 have come here in the 4th. Horford, handoff. Irving over Towns. He puts it in.
Fresh
the
legs.
5-time All-Star Irving with a big hit. Kyrie Irving driving into Teague with a spinner and a fadeaway. That is in!
No.
Spectacular finish to the game for Kyrie Irving. Has got it. 23. 8 have come. Look away. Horford. What a pass by Kyrie. Wow. Take a look. We're at 1:34 to go. Horford inside. Look at that pass. Wow.
Hey, Kyrie, ever since the break, you've been playing your best basketball. This team certainly looked like it was on point tonight. What has the mentality been since the break with only 16 left?
Just prepare as best we can. We got to gain this experience in order to prepare for something bigger than ourselves, and we just got to take advantage of the moments, continue to get better every single game, and utilize these games to really play out our best.
It's so hard as a viewer, and I can't imagine as a teammate to see a play like that where Jaylen Brown went down.
Right.
Have you heard anything about his health, and how can a team even start to compensate for what he brings for this team?
I haven't. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go back and see him, or if he's still back there. But I mean, we're so close as a group, and we'll make sure Jaylen's okay. It's a hard thing to watch as a fan, as a player. So all our well wishes go to Jaylen. Make sure he's okay.
Congrats on the win. Good luck the rest of the way.
Appreciate you.